Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix your heating problem in your iPhone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, friends, you have to clear your storage. If your storage is full, you have to tap on File Manager or something like that, and you have to clear cache your download and images, videos, document. So you have to release some storage, clear some of the apps that are not in use and that are not useful apps, so it will fix your heating problem. Then friends, you can just simply go to the settings and check your battery health. If heating issue is there also, you can check battery health and it is 100% showing, so there is no fault. You have to just turn off auto updates, so it will not update at night, so it will not heat your smartphone. And don't play games while charging. This is also an effect of heat that heat your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.